Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see you won't create song like this and like this. You can create such kind of songs with the help of ChatGPT and Suno AI. You can create first of all lyrics, and after that you can convert those lyrics in song format. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start demonstration on my Mac screen. First of all, you need to create your own lyrics, no matter which types of language lyrics you want to create here. So I create here. Can you make song lyrics related on Valentine special? And just simply raise this question. Today is Valentine Day, and look at this here, whispers of love. All the song lyrics is coming here. It's really amazing. We have lyrics. This lyrics come in English language. I will tell you how to make in Hindi song as well. We can copy this lyrics, come to the new tab, open the Google and type here suno.com, enter. So first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. You should sign in using your email address. So I already sign in using my email address and I have 50 credit. You should make a song every day 10 absolutely free. After that you need to pay some of the money. So here the create option is available. One of the important point come here, invitation friends. So you should use my referral link, make your own account. So here the create a song. So first of all we can go here as a custom song, and after that we just simply put it here entire lyrics, which lyrics you want added there. I just use here lyrics in ChatGPT and put it here. Randomly you just put it here the title of the song. So I can put it here the title of the song like Whisper of Love or Valentine song. You should added any of this and create. And look at this, within a minute entire script as a convert song format, and we can play here. Look at this, the music, lyrics, pause, amazing. Hearts are dancing in the night. I feel your hand brushing mine, sparks fly. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Whispers of love in the air, promises beyond compare. Two types of version they are creating. First one this one, and second one is this. Guiding me together, we're never alone. Your eyes and loves will stay. Love's light will never fade away. On this Valentine. Same song you can add here some of the rock, hard rock or other melody as well. The which types of song style you want create here, the all options is available here. Melody rocks, classic fox and other one modern fox. So you should put it here the pop rocks, and after that you should create. So we can receive different types of variety and different types of version of same lyrics. So like a remix. Underneath the silver moonlight, hearts are dancing. Feel your hand brushing mine, guiding me where love should go. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing will ever. The song style comes here in pop rocks. Promises beyond compare. In your arms I find my home. Together we're never alone. Now we can make as a Hindi song as well. So just simply we convert special in Hindi language. So Valentine special गीत, तुम ही हो मेरे ख्वाबों में, तुम ही हो मेरी राहों में. So we are receiving here, and just simply copy this one, put it here. Here we just simply select here entertainment, hip hop, and create. You can select here, you can provide them, you can create instrumental music as well. You can create whatever you want create. Each song you need to spend 10 credits. Look at this, Valentine special geet ke bol. You can remove this one and then create song. मेरी सारी चाहते really amazing. And after that, how to download? It's very simple. Just simply click here, three dots. Here the download, two version you should download. One is MP3 format and second one is video format should look like this. We can complete this process, but I will show you here the MP3 download and the download the song. And after that, you can share this song any of the places. You share this song in social media as well. Click here the download and video format. So this is a video comes like this, and even the lyrics also coming in the video. Look at this. That one is really impressive. You can come to this platform, make a song and share someone special. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.